What's up, everyone? Good morning. What's up, Thomas? What's up, Nick? You get everything done yesterday at the construction site that you needed to? Medman, Fabiola, Jav, Eddie, good morning. Welcome in, everyone. They're currently getting my grass cut. If you hear some background noise, guess he's just trying to get it done before more rain comes, I don't know. Good morning, Canary. See if we can't have a. Oh, I got some Tradify evals. I'm gonna give away towards the end of the live. I just seen the message. Oh, you know what they gave us? This time they gave us the 50K select accounts from Tradify. That's everyone's favorite, right? Good morning, Matt. Make sure we share the live real quick. Let's really push it this morning. I'm not going to say it a million times, but if you wouldn't mind, share it. Let's get that out of the way. And real quick in chat, everyone, I want to know, where is everyone checking in from? Are you locked in this morning? Let's get it going. Let's get it going. I'm Tennessee myself. South Carolina, Vermont, where else? I seen a nice move last night in Asia. Um, didn't take it, but just was spectating. Good morning, good morning. Portergas, thanks for sharing the live. Good morning. Good morning, Emma. Anyone I missed? B man. I was trading since Wednesday. Thursday was solid. We didn't take a trade Friday or yesterday, so that's where I'm at. Good morning, Team Bull.
What's up, Mr. Glout?
What's up, man? Just getting ready to trade with you all. That's it.
Well, that overnight sell-off.
Man, it's wild, huh? It fell through every demand we had. It just wasn't there. I guess they're just giving the big dogs time to get in before the next tweet, you know?
Yup. For real, though.
It's like, all right, it's almost time. Iran, I need you to open the straight back up. Get in some calls. 9:45 we have PMI. And at 10 we have Fed. Manufacturing Index.
Your location isn't working. I thought you were MIA, so ordered coffee. Uh-huh. Your house. Your house. Yeah, your huh? Well, I was busy. I was doing this. I was setting this up.
I have to drink 2 cups of coffee.
Well, I got extra coffee. Anyone want one?
This
Should I just drink it all? We'll go bananas.
Shotgun it. All right.
We'll go bananas. Crazy. Yeah, we share our locations. Yeah.
You're hearing them cut my grass in the background, everyone. It will be gone shortly. Almost done. Share the live.
Let's go. All right. We got 2 minutes left until opens. This is your.
All right. I know a way to do this. I have a 50K select Tradify account I'll give away to someone that shares it live real quick. Run it up. Make it put a little effort into the share, but share it, please. Wherever you can share it in Discord, as long as you're allowed to share it there. Just make sure don't get banned. After you share it live, let me know, okay? $50K select. That's what you all like the best, right? The Tradify select. Tiffany M. You can have one. I'm going to give away another one real quick. Share it. Say something cool. Something cheesy. I don't care. Whatever. Ashley Marie. Medman would be the one to talk to about merch. He handles all that. You can message Instagram, Tiffany. Let's see. Emma, you shared. All right, Emma, you can have one of the accounts. I'm gonna. Should I give away another one, or wait till the end? I want to give another one to someone on TikTok. You all are always crushing it with the shares. I really appreciate the TikTok crew as well. You know. All right. We are open.
Rod the lungs before it just absolutely collapsed, completely and utterly collapsed for the night.
All right. Are you watching anything, Jay Dunn? Are you anything special on watch this morning?
Really, man. Just honestly. honestly waiting for Naples. I don't like when price moves as aggressively as it did overnight.
Yes. It's not making it easy on us this week so far.
Yeah, we're also in this big demand zone down here.
Yeah.
So
Under control. Where will it be?
Eugene. Eugene.
Good morning. Yeah, of course. Of course, I'm sure.
I've been incorporating Bookmap in my trading a bit more too. Always trying to develop more of an edge. Just like I was checking out pivots. I mean, my strategy will always be price action, but if I can add different tools to increase my edge, I'm always looking to do that, especially as I size up my trading. There's kind of a lot going on. It kind of looks like remember what we used to say, Grizzly?
What's that?
Bookmap kind of looks like COVID.
Yeah,
Little dots.
it really does. Only people that was trading during COVID will get it. But yeah.
I find Bookmap most helpful when you hit key levels or like you have actual areas of entry. So if you try to just watch the little dots, it gets to be a lot.
It's like a tool. It's just good to add confluence, you know?
You know, it's
Good
funny.
extra confluence.
Is I got clowned by these goofballs on social media for saying that SpaceX likely going to see a run up and then it's going to see a fall. And then what did it do? It saw a run up. Now it's back tied or to opening price, not IPO price, but opening price.
Yeah, it'll go through a stage where it consolidates at a lower price. That's when we'll be able to get back in.
Everyone who bought SpaceX after open is red. Congratulations.
I'm not. I sold.
Not you. For those of y'all that trolled me, you've learned now. Don't doubt the J Don.
He's like, I wish I just bought a little bit and sold it, you know? I sold all. Yeah, I told you on the live and I sold for those that was around. With all this weakness, it's very likely to fade this opening candle. So cautious taking anything off the open. Nice. All right, everyone, welcome in. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Talk about whatever. I'm watching the Asia Low. I need to tell Team Boy. I meant to say that earlier.
We focus on making money. They can focus on hating. We focus on making money.
Real quick.
That's the difference between winners and losers.
Team Bull. I'm going to watch this Asia Low if we push up for possible reject. Just wanted to put that on your radar. I'll let you know if I take it, though.
Where's Asia Low at?
Right up here at this 950 area.
Yep.
Around pre-market high. Close to pre-market high.
Oh my gosh, up here like 29,950.
Yep.
Yep, that was my watch this morning too. I was gonna watch that pre-market high, then up to 30,000 because we have that whole site number there.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if we just sold off more from here, though. Hopefully that's not the case.
You also got to remember that a lot of the SpaceX flow is tied up for a while, so we still could see some volatile moves. I mean, another 20% of shares will be open up to sell. It's like in August or something, and then another.
All right. Enough with the leaf blower. What's the time for Asia session? Nice. You're 300 from passing the Tradify I gave you. Solid. Some people start trading Asia at like 6, 7, somewhere in there, 8. I guess if you really wanted to be dedicated, you would start at 6. Pull back down pre-market low retest. We still got this still no close above point of control. Hopefully we do it on the next couple candles if we're going to. Don't want to chop around. Have a morning like we had yesterday. Or have a morning like we had yesterday. Missed the only short opportunity of the morning. Good morning, Jeff. I'm drinking water this morning. Maybe I may drink coffee again tomorrow. We'll see. Anyone making any big business moves this week? Looking at real estate? Building your company? Anything good? Good morning. Good morning, Liv. You're hoping to sell your first new build, Sosa? How was that experience going through all that? I bet you certainly learned a lot from it, right? We do have news. PMI 5 minutes. Yes. Yep. The next one will be a little smoother for sure. Sparkling water instead of water. I like some sparkling water. I just don't. I feel like it doesn't quench my thirst. Like water does. You've been eyeing anything else since then, Nick, or just looking around? Alexander, let us know what you take anything up there. Your first cash secured put just got filled. Nice. It's amazing. I love seeing you all making money other ways than. I'm for sure what the exactly triggered the sell off, other than the straight news and stuff. That try some sparkling water with vodka and some lime juice. I guess. I don't know if you all want me trading on that exact recipe, but you know. You gonna try it this weekend? All right, let me know how it goes. You have to DM me, let me know. Bill's over the Boston TikTok. I know. I would say no one's more over the Boston Medman is though. It's a sworn enemy. Thank you. I don't care what you do. Just give us an entry today. Give us a trade that doesn't have conflicting signals. One reason. It's almost time to pay some more taxes. Yes. Come on. I don't care if it sells off more. It doesn't make a difference to me. I just want it to go up to the level I'm watching before it does. So, does anyone in here have like any rent like condos throughout the beach or like own beach condos, that sort of thing? I feel like that would be. I would want to know someone in the area first that had experience, but I feel like that would be a cool investment just to have go stay at. I don't know if I'm quite ready to do that just yet, but what would it cost to rent them for like the year if you pay 1 year up front? That's another. What is it? 15 will say anything. You own two. The Jersey Shore. Well, so we have more data at 10, correct? Yeah, Grizzology confirmed the buy off the opening 5 minute candle. And of course it prints, but I'm staying locked in on my discipline. I'm not taking anything off the first 5 minute candle. It would have hit because if you would have taken this trade, you would have waited on the retracement back down. You would have got in and you would have trimmed at high day. Moved your stop, your entry, you know. Grizzology, my indicator, charts all these key levels for us. I think we got like what is that we have at 10 again? Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index at 10. I do not want to rent a property in New Jersey. I believe it. I believe it. Like I said, I knew New Jersey wasn't for me the day I drove through and I couldn't pump my own gas. And GD talks about all the taxes and stuff there. Beautiful place, you know. Just not it for me. All right, there we go. We're breaking up here. We got 2 minutes, so this is not going to confirm the orb for me. Uh, yeah, no, Grizzology's trying to give us FOMO, but trust me, we did the right thing not taking the trade off first 5 minute candle within Q, especially after a move like we've seen overnight. Yep. Yeah. They will. They don't like it when you get out. That's hilarious. No, you cannot, monsieur. They do it for you. Well, this could confirm the orb, everyone. Do we dare try the orb? Let's talk about it. We don't have much time here. What is that? 723. Jesus. This is a lot of risk. What are we thinking? This candle's gonna fall apart last moment. We spoke too soon. And there's one ugly candle though, right? I was looking for a long. It would be a long entry if we took it here called the orb. Be the orb strategy. You all know the orb, right? I feel like the only place I'd be comfortable even trying to bounce would be back closer to point of control. This as far as the risk goes. Because if we try to 800, where are we going to put our stop at? I mean, we're going to set 724 as our stop. As always, he said, I tried to tell you. Don't get on my nerves this morning, Grizzology. Already gave me FOMO yesterday. Good morning, Lavish. I don't, we mostly trade futures in Q. You can trade QQQ if you prefer. This is my reject area we're coming up to, everyone. I mean, hopefully it doesn't reject this 900, but up around Asia low, I'm going to watch that. Tradevate, if you're funding your own loop, that's when I like it, at least. People say TradeStation's good as well. I never tried it. I know I mentioned trying it with you all, but I just never got around to it. Excuse me. Was it a misprint, Jack? All right, we're going towards my reject. Added to my CRM position yesterday on the calls, the leaps. So I'm currently down 958 on that position. Netflix, I'm down 5% on that. No, yeah, 5% on that position. Don't reject yet. Don't you dare reject yet. A little bit higher. I need to talk to Team Bull in case this does push up. Still watching that Team Bull up here around Asia low.
Like 950.
Yeah, that's the only area I have. Yeah, 30,000. Kind of a zone, I guess. 30,000 to 933. Watching that area. Maybe like a break above the Asia low, then take my shorts once we break back below it.
Thumbs up. Dun, dun, dun. Lower volume on this, so I will not be participating. I'm not taking any trades yet, guys. Just waiting and staying patient. Waiting and staying patient, everybody.
I hope we don't just sell off here, man.
I know. I wanted to see us sweep this pre-market high and Asia low.
It's been a perfect entry up there. 100 may have been it though. Oh. Any questions? We're pushing up here. I'm gonna watch it for entry. Once this break above this Asia low, then once we dip back below, that's where I'll try shorts. I'm gonna keep my stop up above 30,000, I guess. That's the only place it really makes sense to invalidate this trade.
All right, let's see. Stay patient, guys.
Because you got VWAP there and that whole site. If you want to risk missing the trade, you can wait closer to that level. We do have
I
Fed.
received a 400K settlement for a motorcycle accident. Bitcoin was $400 a coin, and those that knew.
I'm watching this for entry, so let's lock in if you plan on trying it. My first trade of the week. Let's do it. You can get up there. I just hope it doesn't hit that pre-market high and just sell straight off, you know? The Asia low would be the area. Yeah, we got news about to drop now, everyone. Like 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Come on. Yeah, I'm looking for a short entry up around 950. The position for about a 50-point or so stop loss. Just keep that in mind, okay? All right, we're up here. I'm watching for my short entry, everyone. Gonna keep it. You can have about a 50-point stop on this if we try it, so you have to position for that.
Elk is on. It's perfect timing.
If we lose this Asia low again, that's where I'll try my shorts, everyone. Not before then, unless you want to try right at VWAP.
I'd love to see us sweep this VWAP and fail.
Yeah.
I'd more than like to try it up here too, with stops above wherever the candle high goes. You know, a lot of sellers sitting up there around 30,000.
3 minutes left on this candle. I'm watching it.
I'm watching this 30,000 to 30,022 as well. I know Grizzly's watching a little earlier. He's watching for a failure of Asian low at like 950. We're both watching for the shorts though. I have bookmap open.
All right.
$30,070. Wait, I want to see how this candle closes, guys. We went out. You can see we went out and took out those orders up there. Immediately sold off. I want to see how this candle closes.
It'd be wild if we bought this entire move back up today.
If we can close this candle with a wick and a failure, I'll try the shorts with stops above like 30,005. That's my main watch right now. My main watch is for shorts.
All right, let's see
we'll see what it gives us.
Kind of higher volume.
Higher volume.
Yep.
Yep. It's gonna be higher volume regardless. We still have a minute left in this candle too. Yeah, close to that pivot. We got about 15 points away. Yep, no trades yet. Woo!
Watching this still. This is the longest 5-minute candle I've ever set through, I believe. Come on, give us a trade.
I want to see this.
Nope.
That's it. We're pulling out emergency measures. The lava lamp is on. I repeat, the lava lamp is on.
Feel like you just need a shag carpet, man, to go with it.
Yup. This is a tricky candle.
I want to short this so bad. Higher volume. Strong positive delta too.
It's just you could. It's just risky, man.
Yeah.
Aggressive wick up. It's almost you almost want to look for the freaking 2-bar here.
Yeah. For real.
You almost want to look for the 2-bar here. It's like I don't love rejecting that downtrend from pre-market, but we have intra action that looks up, and then pre-market action that was aggressively down. That's the problem I see. I don't like when these indicators coincide with each other. Like intraday, this says 2-bar, you should go up. Pre-market and key levels say, nah, bam, you should go back down. So I'm gonna stay patient and wait here.
Let's see. What's the?
I don't want to. What?
I'm trying to see what the stop would be here. 30,005. It's just the volume says that it wants to go up further, you know?
I know. That's my problem here. Me too, bro. If you like something, take it. I'll support it 100%. I'm sitting out. Like if we had lowering volume on this 5-minute, I would almost certainly have tried shorts. I don't hate it.
My gut's telling me shorts is a move. I gotta follow
agree.
my system here. But we still never lost the Asia low, though. We've held above it pretty well. So for me to even consider the shorts, I would have to see us flush that.
People always ask me if I've ever had my heart broken. Well, I think I should start replying. Well, there was a day in the stock market where we had a beautiful 2 bar, and at the same time, we were right below VWAP, pivot, and 30,000 on NQ.
I have a better one for you, Jada.
That's a heartbreak.
I know something that broke your heart worse, and that
What?
was BA.
Boeing. We
Yeah,
don't speak about Boeing.
Boeing.
You know what I was gonna say? I thought. You know what I thought you were gonna tell me your heartbreak was?
What was it?
A few weeks ago when you had that trade that got stopped out like literally by like half a point and then went like
1,000 point off. Yeah, that was so
oh,
dumb.
that sucks, bro.
People still mention it regularly.
Bro literally got stopped out. Man, why's on the games here? Quit being on the games.
I'm not in anything right now. That previous volume on that candle has stopped me from taking shorts here. Previous candle volume. See if it would have worked though.
Yeah, I liked that 30,000 area too. I just didn't like breaking that system of the volume on this candle.
What makes me like shorts? We have the whole
I
site,
like
VWAP, everything.
oh,
I was talking. Someone asked me.
now just pushing up. 2 bar to 2 bar and 2 bar to 2 bar and
It's gonna be crazy if it buys all this back up today. I'm telling you.
stay impatient, guys. Stay impatient. Right now, we have a battle between these buyers and sellers between intraday trend and pre-market free for all. This is why I was worried about those shorts. I mean, it could have been a decent scalp. Could have definitely been a decent scalp, but
I just wanted to give us an entry.
I'd love to see a rejection candle. Maybe we hang out here back and forth, have an aggressive hammer to the downside, then we could try the short with stops above the high. That's what I would love to see.
Hopefully, it happens right here.
I would love to see that right here. Catch a really nice trend down.
What are you in? Money, mine, easy.
Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Give us a nice reversal setup. Come on now. I want to see this candle at higher 5-minute volume. Take the retest up, slam the short, stops above the highs. In a perfect world, that's what we see. In a perfect world, that's what we see.
Respecting the levels well so far.
Come on, give us a confirmation candle.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's holding above this Asia low.
Got a minute and a half left. No trades yet, guys. Staying smart, trading safe, and staying patient. Choosing discipline over cheap garbage dopamine. Dopamine wants you to overtrade. It wants you to force trades. It wants you to trade breakouts. While discipline says, you know what? I'm going to wait. I'm going to stay calculated. I'm going to stay systematic. And the wins will come.
Give us an entry.
Doesn't look like it's going to give it to us. We got 40 more, or 10 more seconds on this candle. Excuse me.
Close right up at 30,000.
Nope. No confirmation. No confirmation, no trade, guys. We closed above, right at 30,000 above VWAP. We'll find a winner today, guys. Stay patient. And guess what? I will also be on for Power Hour today. And in addition to that, I will also be on.
All right, I'm watching here, everyone. I gotta lock in. If I missed your questions, I do apologize, but we could be in a trade any minute here. This market is just wild. It's so aggressive, right? When these moves happen, there's just no slack. Like the sell off was straight down, now it's pushing back up. I just wonder if it's going to continue or we're going to actually get our short entry like I'm watching for here. I mean, I know that the previous day low seems a long ways off, but it should get there very quickly. right? I'm locked in. Sorry. I've not taken one yet. It hasn't gave us an entry that I was comfortable with. Still watching here. This is a big level. Could go either way. Do not let me forget the giveaway at the end of this stream, everyone. Already gave away 2 Tradify Select accounts to the people who shared the live. So if you all want to share it right now, definitely helps. If we can break above this 56, I will look for a possible long entry on the pullback. Plus 46 delta. It's weak. Really not telling us anything. Basically, just a little more buying on that candle. Gonna plug in my phone. All right. Still down to take a short. Kind of pushing up on lowering volume still. I'm just watching for the right time. If, like I said, if we break above this 55, I'm not really interested in shorts as much. Okay. See where we close this candle. See where it closes. What's this looking like, Danny?
We got the high volume reversal. Let's see.
I started some shorts here, everyone. I'm starting some shorts here at 30,000. I'm going to try it. Keep my stop at 47.
Yep.
I'm in short.
Trying a small piece of shorts too, guys. Started a piece of shorts.
I got a decent
Started
size.
Shorts.
I like to rip down to Asia low, then this straight down from there.
I did try a piece of shorts. I will potentially add. This is the ad area, guys. This is what we wanted to see. 30,000.
If we get to Asia low 950, that's where I'll trim first. About a 50-point trim. Then I want to see if we just break below that pre-market low and see where we go from there, or pre-market high. See where we go from there, okay? Oh yeah, just go straight down. We don't even need you to
Come
pull.
on. Come on.
Keep going.
Push it down, baby.
Keep going. Trim.
Come on.
Trim, everyone.
Taking off half two. Taking off half two.
Beautiful. Keep going. First trade of the week.
Yup. Let's go. How about the position?
Nice. What about that?
Off of the position. Half off the position stops at break even.
Yes, exactly. Take a 50-point trade all day, every day. 30,000 is my stop, everyone, on the remainder of my position. 30,000.
Yep, look for a re-entry too if we can fail again. See if we can move down now. Come on.
Let's hope it doesn't chop
Solid
up here.
trade, guys. Multiple entry points too. Come on.
Rip down.
Oh boy. We're gonna have to run this chat up if we get this massive move down. Oh, I'm a little slow in the head. How about that trade though? Let's go.
Come on. I just wanted to get back below this pre-market high. Anybody still in this with me?
Oh, come on. We want 29,000. That was literally the only setup I was watching all morning was the high volume reversal that retest back up to VWAP. Killer entry down. Textbook. Look at that.
Come on. Break that pre-market high.
There we go.
Like it's about to.
You know what I like to see is this. If you're trading 1-to-1, this is your spot. Come on now. 50-point winner. Stop, start, break even. This trade will not go red. Come on.
There was no drawdown on that.
None.
This may be where it continues on up, but
You didn't say my name when you entered, so I wasn't paying attention. Crazy work.
see if we get the move. I'm going to hold, everyone. Hold until your entry. If you're already trimmed, let's let this one run, right? We need a big, fat winning trade that just runs straight down. That's what I'm trying to do here. If it hits my entry, I'll be out and look for another trade for us, but excuse me. Yeah, Asia low, pre-market high has dad strength here, but hopefully we can break below it. If not, I'm happy with the 50-point trim I got. It nearly got us there. Nearly. We could not have got a better fill on this trade. Literally could. I don't know what you all got filled at, but literally right here. Isn't that wild? It's usually the opposite. You get a bad fill. Three oh. Man, that was close to the stop.
Yep. Let's go. We want 100 pointer.
Will it give us 100 points?
Giveaways happening again. Post your gains in the post your gains tab. Tag me.
We'll talk about giveaways when this is over. Thank you. I'm just glad you all are making a bag. That's all I want this week. I just want you all to make money. That's what I want. All right, I'm trimming. I trimmed again. Nice job, everyone. Hey, Dexter, nothing wrong with that. If you stopped out at your entry up here, no No hate on my side. You did exactly what you should have done. Pro tip though, when you have these whole sights, when you're setting your stop, never put it on the lower side. A little bit on the other side of the whole sight. They tend to push right up to it, you know. Sometimes they'll flush above it just enough to get you, but still. You're welcome. I got my runner in profits now, everyone. If it breaks above this 970, I'll be out.
That's what I'm talking about.
Team Boy, I have my last stop in profits now.
Let's freaking go, guys. That was awesome. That was just poetic. Trade's over for me. Hope it just goes absolutely bananas for you guys.
If it hits 9, I'm gonna move it to 965. If it hits 965, I'll be out. That's a good problem to have, though. Going too light on a winning trade. You know what I mean?
Look at that. $30,000. Look at that. Almost 100 points. That is freaking awesome. I think we could go even more, but I'm telling. We'll take it. Super.
Do we get more? Is anybody still holding at least one runner with me? Come on. Please, someone be holding with me. I don't want to be talking about this trade by myself. Okay, good. Don't you do it. Keep going down. I'm going to leave my stop where it's at, the 965 area. It gets it. I'm all right. They bought that up pretty quick, though. All right, out. Trade's over. Nice. Good job, everyone. This may give us a long entry. We may want to stick around a second. That was a very aggressive candle, and it has plenty of time on it. So let's see what happens here with this candle. It'd be wild. We close the short, get right back in longs, and make another bag. All right, Team Bull. I'm watching this candle, see if it gets a confirmation for longs. I'll take a second trade if we do.
Come on now. Make sure y'all post them gains. Post your gains and tag. We're giving away accounts in the post your.
You're welcome, Paula. I'm glad you caught that. Glad you caught 100 points. I just want to see what happens on this candle here. We got time if the volume will get it together. That was a nice trade. I don't care how you look at that trade, that was solid. Just because of the drawdown, right? Just no drawdown hardly on that. Huh. Want to VWAP again. Interesting. See, I was hoping we get a strong close above this. Or a possible long. There's still quite a few trades to be made today. I mean, there's a few opportunities that I see at least. Heading out, Alex? Make sure you hit the follow. I'll go live every single morning with you all. If you all want to get funded today, go to grizzlytrades.com. If you don't want to risk your own capital, you just want to trade with funded accounts, you can get started for like under 100 on some of them, especially Apex. It's like 90% off right now. So check them out. Use code Grizzly. Download the free ebook there. If you do not understand prop firms, you can look at the accounts I like, compare them side by side, and it's free. Anyone buying any accounts today, or you all good? Don't worry. I haven't forgot about our giveaway that's about to happen. I have not forgot about our giveaway that's about to happen. That Asia Low looks good for shorts. Yeah, Jay Dunn, he just does a little different than I do in the stream, which is okay. It's okay. He's all right, isn't he? Yeah, chill vibes all the way for me. We're uh we're we're gonna start focusing a lot more on business and stuff in the community. So, Grizzology community. I feel like we day trade, then we look for stuff to put our profits into. That's what I'm going for. I think it is time. We've been doing this together for a long time now. Built connections. We know, some of us have known each other for a while. What's up, Mustafa? It's going to be Tradeify Select I give away. Jeff, your last loser. Don't try to make that up. Just it's gone. That trade happened. Paid your tuition. Let's move on to the next. You got a 30-point trade today. You're green. You're starting right. Let's just go from there. Thanks, Lance. Yeah, I understand. Any questions? Uh, Stick around. I'm still looking for another trade, YouTube. Stick around. Does Grizzology signal when you should get out of a trade? On the supply and demand, it gives you, possible stop loss and take profits. But other than that, you'll have to judge that based off your, the way you plan your trade. Say if you're taking the orb, first price target, adjust your stop, that sort of thing. What are we thinking right now? I'm not for sure. I think shorts still have more room to the downside. That's my thoughts. Um, I was going to try shorts again probably if we got up to 950, but we just didn't quite get there. If you don't like if you don't like the eval process, you don't like passing evals to get funded, you can try the Tradeify Lightning funded. You can skip them, but you have to pay attention to the consistency, 20% consistency on your first payout. Small base hits, slowly get you there. Just use code Grizzly. All right, enough advertising. I'm going to look for another trade. Here's what I'm watching, everyone. Either a nice high volume candle that gives us a possible long entry, or I'm going to watch around this point of control area, see what happens there. What did I think about Take Profit Trader? I think it's solid. I like. I guess one of the better things is the day one payouts you can reach with them once you're funded. Telling you, if you're new to it all, you don't understand prop firms, download my updated ebook. I just released it recently. It's free. GrizzlyTrades.com. I took time with the help of my good old friend Claude and made that for you all. I was going to tell you all about something. If you have a minute, where everyone leaves, I created something pretty cool, and honestly, I built it mostly with AI. Me and AI built it together, but basically to help you build discipline with trading. Would you all be interested if I dropped something like that? It'd just be like something available in my website, just like a one-time thing. You just put it on your computer. It helps your trading, but the main focus of what I built is to make your discipline better, right? In your trading, it doesn't just guess. It's just based off calculations. Like it's going to take effort on your side. It's just not going to do it all. You're going to have to log your trades, upload your, files, whatever. But I think it'd help a lot of people. If nothing else, it'll be fun to mess with. It'll be fun. Well, whenever I drop it, we'll just keep it. I'll let you know in here. Um, Need a couple people to test it. You have to understand how to journal your trades and everything, all that good stuff. Understand that data because I need good feedback. Luke making a bag. Nice, Luke. Beck will do, man. Because I'm not for sure. I gotta make sure it's working right before I drop it, and I don't understand all the code in it, so gonna need some help testing. Still watching for a bounce down here, everyone. We got lowering volume as we push down, right? What's that tell us? Yes, it could just sell straight off on lower volume to low day, but there's also a higher chance that it's going to bounce. We don't have just a huge increase in aggressive buying here, like any questions about the product I was talking about or anything about trading? I want to keep me busy. Give me something to talk about. We're still going to do the giveaway. Just hang around for that, but welcome, Luke. My indicator charts the supply and demand. You know that, Jeff. But I like the hourly time frames for day trading when possible. Kind of looks like we're slowly pulling down to continue on up. That's what I'm watching for. It's my life story, Thomas. I feel like we always are gonna feel like we sold too early. I'm telling you, I get some of the craziest DMs. Never know what to expect opening some of my DMs. Jesus. You heading out, Sherwood? I hope you have a good day as well. Actually, on that trade, the Tradeify account, maybe. Hold on. On the trade, yeah, I think I'm just have accepted that my stop loss is just going to be a little wider than I want sometimes. I just have to adjust my position accordingly. I couldn't just rip 5 MNQ there. Or, sorry, 5 NQ. I went with 3, honestly, but still. 5 was just a little too much for that risk for my account size. Austin said, reached payout level on that last trade. Nice, man. I'd love to see you win, Austin. Yeah. Dexter, as soon as I started reading that, I'm like, this is a joke. Just make sure whatever you're trading, everyone, just make sure you back test it. Make sure it's gonna, it's gonna make you money over the next few years. The strategy. You want to make sure it's profitable throughout the years. That being said, it's developed. Even I consider this. The market does change, right? So we've had to adapt over the years. But most good strategies will be profitable throughout the years. It's just from what I've seen. You'll get a strategy that may be hot right now and it's worked the past year, and it just fall apart. Like when you start using it. That's the problem with the automated strategies. A lot of them, right? Even ones I've used. You'll make good, reach, hit some whatever payout maybe, or make a bag on your personal. The market flips. You're sitting through that drawdown and stuff. It's just not fun. Just make sure you do the extra work and back testing. Back testing. You're always thinking about a bag, Beck. That's what it is. Making a bag. Back. Yeah, I feel that, Corey. Back testing and back day. I mean, you could do both on the same day. Let's see. I'm watching it here. No way it's gonna bounce right before the range high though. Real quick, everyone, I'm not done trading yet. If I may have to stop this giveaway to take a trade, but if you would like, trade a 550K select account. just let me know in chat, okay? Run it up. I'll pick one or two more people. I've already gave away 2 this morning, so keep that in mind. Alexander Sward. Sward. Alexander Sward. I said that last part right, but you can have one, okay? You have to DM me. Jeff Hardy, 101. You can have one as well. That's all for today as far as the giveaways. But we're still watching this trade. We're getting close to the level, so let's lock in. Gave away 4 accounts today. That's a solid start for a Monday. We'll do some Apex. We're going to do some more Tradify this week, but we're also going to do some Apex. Excuse me. Wait a second. Does anyone in here use Code Grizzly when you get accounts? Appreciate you all. If this candle had more volume, I would go long right here, but it's just not enough volume. So let's see what happens down around point of control if we get down there. This isn't it. It could bounce. Just not enough volume for me to get in with it. This is gonna give me 1 second. Anybody still around looking for a trade?
Use your code. Thank you, Jadon. I appreciate you guys.
Has anyone on here been trading Asia session lately? Oh, sorry, TikTok, my chat was not updating. I'm still here looking for a trade. If you all want to hang out for a bit, ask questions, whatever. What is this here? Nice. You made $15 on one MNQ. That counts. What's up, Art Home? How you doing? Are you eyeing anything else? Team Boy, do you all see anything? Can't hear Jaden if he's talking.
What's up, bro?
What's up? I just seen if you all was watching anything else. I'm watching this point of control. I want to see what we do here. This 800 to 768. Because we're pushing down and lowering volume still. May just be digesting that big move, overnight move. No.
Numbers in hotel rooms. Bro, I have a lot of accounts to give away today, guys.
I wonder what's coming next after all the prop firms, you know? Like, what's the next big thing? Next big thing. I'm looking for a long bounce. 768. May just fall through it though. Let's see what happens. Well, I mean, it's respecting it so far, but I'm not in anything yet. I'm watching, see how we react here. It's got 2 minutes on this candle. See what it does. See how it closes. Appreciate everyone that used my code for Tradify today. You did well. Thank you. Come on. At least like bouncing close above this 800. Negative 450, Danny. Watching this for possible long entry. I'll let you know if I take it, okay? It'll be very clear. It's not looking like we're going to get what we want here, Danny. Could be. Still watching this. If we get the high volume reversal candle, I'll still give it a go here. It's 11:11. Make a wish, everyone. Make a wish. 11:11. All right. Don't tell me your wish though. I guess no one wished for high volume reversal candle, huh? Hasn't happened yet, at least. We'll see. You're not wasting your wish? I don't blame you. That makes sense. Guess that would be a waste of a wish. Uh oh. Just gonna have to get it together here, but a little sign of life. All right, I'm still watching for a possible trade here, everyone. I'll let you know if I take it. Still watching.
Ever since we started putting on the Metallica, we've been winning. 2 bar shorts. It's not quite a downtrend yet, so we can't call it a two.
I'm not sure. Something's about to happen. I feel like the high volume candle is going to come in here. I'm just not sure which way it's going to be. You all know what I mean? Like, we're respecting point of control clearly. But do we bounce or do we close below? Then, possibly retest it from beneath to move further down. I'm okay with either, but I would just like, preferably, I just like to see the high volume confirmation candle close above this 800. Look for a pullback for a long entry. Because, we're currently above point of control, so why not? See what happens. Miss Keisha, point of control is PLC's point of control, highest volume point on this time frame. Volume based support and resistance, basically. Or resistance. Either or. You're welcome. Yep, just one green candle. If you have questions, drop them in chat. We still have plenty of time. These lives may get longer. Really want to lock in on my trading. What would have to change for this to be a downtrend? Oh, I mean, I'd have to actually see it. I mean, we're lower time frame downtrend, right, from the sell off overnight. But we don't really pay attention to the lower time frame that often. I feel like point of control is a good judge right now. Good judging point. It's lower volume. Five-minute time frame. That's what's on the screen here. You can see it right up here, my friends. Yep, no trades. Still watching. The price action is setting us up for a possible good trade, right? If we can just break out of this. This is a rough. Give us a rough line to watch here. Give us something to watch. I didn't see the results for it, Jay. Was it bad? I am just not convincing yet. At least not on the 5-minute. Department of Defense, is that what you're referring to, Jay? It's a joke. I know what you mean. What's ES at right now? I'm gonna look on my phone for you, so I don't have to switch it up on you all. It is at 7443. 7444. Oh, you're welcome. Well, well. Still here. If you have a question, drop them in chat. I'm seeing. Gonna tough this session out. We'll see what happens at pre-market. Pre-market low. Excuse me. I'm not looking for a short anywhere in this area. The only thing I'm looking for is a bounce. But I'm not opposed to another short. We just have to see, what we want to see. We'd have to see very clear confirmation of the, key level here. Could be point of control if we push on down, push back up. We get a good read on it for a possible short. I mean, that's possible. Trend matches up with that level as well. Well, what's for lunch today, everyone? Almost lunchtime for you, all right? What'd you say, Daz? I missed it, man. Oh, the bounce? Maybe. I think Danny was watching the same area. Brian says grilled chicken, sweet potatoes, apple, nice. That sounds like my type of meal. May do the same. Fast. I need to fast like I used to with you all. Used to fast every day till noon minimum. It's just the only thing about when you do when I did the fast like that, when I fasted like 12, 1, 2 every day, it make you skinny, right? But it made it hard for me to keep a good amount of muscle on, like I can if I don't fast. But I guess I felt better in general. I just felt better all the time when I fasted like that. Just need to start fasting again and just focus on being super lean, I guess. Some protein porridge for lunch. Never had that. Chicken burgers for dinner soon. Nice. Dad says some salad and protein shake. I think I'll go with some chicken today. I gotta go somewhere later. I forgot about that. I got obligation. Jesus. Guess I'll just grab a steak then when I'm out. Seems like the best. Seems like a good idea to me, right? So you're eating some ramen for lunch? Or watch your blood pressure with that. You heading out, Naya? You have a good day. You got a lot going on. All right, Nick. Hopefully the inspection goes well. See any good real estate deals you're not interested in, Nick? Let me know. Especially land. Always looking to buy land, everyone, if you didn't know. You all gonna give me the family price though, right? Consider me family at this point, or where do I stand? It's your birthday. That's awesome. Happy birthday. If I was there, we could celebrate with a steak, you know? I'm not gonna comment on that one, Dexter. You gotta remember, streaming and trading live and all that running business can take its toll on your mental, so. Trading in general can, you all know that, right? It can really be stressful. You allow it. It took me a minute to understand how to control that part of it, but fine. Trying to decide where I'm gonna get steak from. Been a minute since I had some wagyu. You know, when they bring it out, you cook it on the stone. But I don't like a big serving. That's about all I like is that. I like a strip, I guess, or fillet. Is all the nicks leaving at once? All 20 nicks gone? My favorite cut of steak? If I had to pick one steak, one cut forever, I would probably go in the middle there, like the strip. That way I still have some fat, but, you know, that's just my thoughts. Kimber, Kimberly, you caught the move? Nice. Hopefully we catch another trade here soon. I don't usually stick around for nothing, right? We're usually watching something if I'm around. Yeah, we're uh, we're doing what I want to see now. Let's just be patient, not jinx it. Seems like when I speak something, sometimes it just does the opposite, or we're waiting on confirmation. You know. Live to trade another day. I gave away 4 Tradeify accounts today. Come back tomorrow. I'll do another giveaway. But right now, I want to see if we get this candle close up here. 712. I'm gonna talk to Team Bull.
Appreciate y'all coming
All
on
right.
over to the YouTube too. Turning on your notifications.
All right, Team Bull. I'm watching this here. I don't know if you're
Still
anybody.
trading?
Yeah, I'm still trading, man. Got taxes to pay. You know how it is.
Keep telling everyone. Just join the premium.
Team Bull.
Trade with us every day.
That's right.
Best place to be. No lag.
Come on, rip up. Give us a nice, strong. Running out of time here. I was hoping we close back above this point of control, break this trend we have, downtrend, or this push down we have from VWAP here.
Oh no. Gene. Mr. Gene. Look at this picture.
I'm not in a trade yet. If I take something, it'll be very clear. I assure you all. This is the candle kind of did us dirty. Look at it. Can't really short this candle because it had higher volume. You can't long it because it's right below point of control. Right? Is that not a little dirty? I still want to see if we can still close above this 800. There's still a possibility for a trade. Just have to keep our stops somewhere in this area. We'll see. Let's let it play out. Can't really plan it yet. It's not really showing me what I need to see. Come on, volume. I am not in. I will be very clear if I get in, I promise. There is usually not any confusion when I get into the trade. But I'm currently looking for a long entry. It could change quickly in this area. It's kind of the determination point, what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's just not confirmed anything for me here. I would have been down for shorts, but that previous candle did have higher volume, you know? This candle here could confirm shorts. This is, how this key area. So I'm just watching for volume confirmation. I need they need the help with the delta on this one. It gets a little closer. Stops at 788. Jeez. Wow, what a stop. It's the highest volume point on this time frame, Samuel. Just think of it like volume-based support or resistance. No need to complicate it. That's how I use it. Danny, how we looking? No. It's just there's too much risk. I wanted shorts there, everyone, but there's just too much risk because my stop would have to be at 790, right? We can pull back to like 740.
All right, I gotta finish doing this. My ADHD brain is.
Watching for a possible short at 740, everyone. Watching 740 for possible shorts. I'm gonna go with MNQ on this one since we had a big winning trade earlier. Trading NQ then.
All right, let's give away a few accounts in Team Bull. Post your game. Grizzly, if you take a trade, please talk over me.
I'm about to take one, man. So.
I'm gonna start doing some of these giveaways. So if you see it, just yell out you're in the shorts.
Yeah, I will be trading this light with MNQ, everyone. Like I said, I'm not ending today red no matter what.
Looks good for continuation.
Yeah,
I see definitely what you're looking at.
It's a little higher. If we get to 740, I could justify trying a small size. Stops have to be at basically 790. So you have to position for that if you try this. Yes, it will be a short entry up there at 740. Let's get up. Keep going. This is it here. Tried a very small size of M&Q shorts, everyone. Stops at 788, we can say. Pre-market low would be a great price target for this, or just yeah. I'd like to get pre-market low. That'd be nice. All right, Jaden, go ahead. Everyone knows the game plan. If it hits my stop, I will be done. Still green though.
First day in premium, 1,300. Let's go. And because I read your comment, you are going to be the first one to win.
Oh, yawns. This is the only point I've seen for entry for shorts since our first trade, honestly. Uh, got some positive delta on the previous candle. Hopefully that doesn't get us. Pre-market low is what we want. Rip down, pre-market low. Is anybody in this with me? I'm just curious. Adjust my screen? Sure, my bad. You just let me know anytime you can't see it. We're up now. I just want to see a big move. I'm so light. I don't think it would have to really move to help me out too much, but I'm rooting for you all. I made a bag off that first trade. It was solid. Solid first trade. Yeah, the ideal trade, right? Six figures. I wish. I wish, Danny. You all can scalp and be done with it, you know. But I just want to see what happens. It's either gonna be this is gonna be the area, right? We finally got to close and waited on the retracement below point of control. It reclaims it, climbs back up. It's just invalidated our setup, and we just stop out. That's how you manage a trade, right? That's just how it works. You trade the same old boring setup. All you can do is focus on your risk. Oh, sorry, TikTok. My chat was not refreshing. Oh yeah, sorry. Excuse me. Stop remains the same. I want pre-market low, everyone. I mean, you can trim at 700 there if you like, but I would like to get lower. Well, no, technically, yeah, let's 700. We can trim at 700 if we get there. We get to 700. I'm trimming, okay?
Nope. You're getting it. This candle looks good. I'm speaking it to existence for you.
Rip down. We're currently up what, like 20 points or so, but I want more. You all can scalp if you would like. Do what you like. I
Yep.
has to make a good move for me to make any money as light as I am. It could go either way here, though. It's kind of consolidating, but we're still below point of control, and we have a confirmation candle for shorts, and our risk was defined. So this is the only place I've seen an entry other than the trade we took before.
Yep. Yeah, tell them stones.
Well, I know where my stop is. If it breaks above that, I will be done for the day. Green day, regardless. $788.
What was I doing? Just want to check these codes. I want to be giving out duds.
May get it. May give back a little profits. If it breaks above this, I'll be out. You all can see it. Still in as of now. You got to watch the NQ chart. It's going to get it. Got it. All right. I tried. That was the only legit setup other than the one we caught this morning. It's a good looking setup, you know. It just happens once you sell off so much, you know. When you're trying to catch your, you know, the move, the continuation. Sometimes you just, oh wait, no, try it, you know. All right, 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser today. The recording will be posted on YouTube once we're done here. Appreciate y'all for showing up. I'm going to come back tomorrow and see if we can catch another nice big winning trade.